Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Salam.
So my question is, if I use a software or a website with multiple Google accounts in order to avoid a paid subscription and avail extra fee limit, because majority of these softwares provide a free limit at a certain level and then you have to pay. So if I create multiple Google accounts and use that software or website, so would that also come under some kind of theft or stealing, and would it be sinful? Jazakallah.
Umar, if you had a similar website and a similar condition, would you like people to violate it? Yes or no?
Never.
See, this is a case. We Muslims deal with others as we like to be dealt with. The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, لا يؤمن أحدكم حتى يحب لأخيه ما يحب لنفسه. One would not reach the level of Iman until he loves for his brother what he loves for himself. So this is how we deal with people. We'd like them to deal with us like we deal with them. We don't cheat you, we don't betray you, we don't lie to you, so you do the same to us. And this is how Muslims managed, with the grace of Allah, to spread Islam as far as Indonesia and Malaysia. See, the issue of birthdays is something that we Muslims do not have. Yani if you look at the time or the history 100 or 150 years ago, you will never find people celebrating their birthdays. This is something that came to us recently, either through the conquest of Muslim world, countries, or through people going to the West and adopting their customs and bringing it back to us. So the issue of having a birthday cake with candles, the number of your age, with singing happy birthday to you, dear so-and-so, happy birthday to you, and then blowing the candles in one breath, and then eating from that a cake. This is not from the Muslim tradition, and hence this is imitating the kuffar. It is not a religious celebration, but we are told not to imitate the kuffar, and hence such celebration that comes over and over on a specific date, which is the date of birth, this is called Eid. And the Prophet ﷺ told us that there are only two Eids to be celebrated throughout the year for Muslims, and that is Eid al-Adha and Eid al-Fitr. Therefore, you must not participate in any gathering or celebration or even congratulating people by saying happy birthday or giving them gifts on that occasion. Now, if you're the recipient, so it's my birthday today, and someone says, Assalamu alaikum, happy birthday, I would not hang up. I would not curse the person or give him a lecture. I would just say, thank you. If someone comes and gives me a present, I would say, thank you. If someone gives me a piece of a cake of his brother's birthday, and he brings it over to my office or my house, I will eat it and I say thank you. This is not taking part. There's no problem in that.